In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create amazing end screens for your YouTube uploads or your YouTube videos on your channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you two different ways of doing this. The first one is a free option. The second one is a paid option. So the second one is by using this app, which is Invideo. I have a premium version here. I use a premium version, but then I don't use it to create YouTube outros. But then I'm going to walk you guys through different sort of YouTube outros here that you can, just pick it up and then edit it and you add it to your video, or you go with the free version. So now let me get going with the tutorial. Let me start with the free version here. So you can see I'm on the process of uploading a video here, a new video. So I reach to this checks and then I tap on this add an end screen. So you can see YouTube is giving you couple end screen options here. So this is only a video and then subscribe, something like this. You can see, let me discard it. Let me try to add another one, and this is two videos like this, and this is one video, one subscribe, and this is a video, a playlist, and the rest, and these two videos. So with this you can choose to optimize it by yourself. So let's choose this one video, one subscribe, because I think you should have the subscribe button here so they can subscribe if they like your video, I think, watching it. So now let's try to add something here. Let's tap on it like this and then let's add a new video. So now let me drag it on top. Good, so it's fitting here. Good, very much nice. So what we do is we make this most recent. When you choose it, you can choose a specific video, something like that, but we don't want it like that. So let's choose the most recent. That's the video you just uploaded on your YouTube channel. And then the second one should be best for viewers. That's the person watching the video. I think a recommendation that YouTube thinks is the best for them from your channel, something like that. And then the subscribe button here. The subscribe, you can drag it on top here, do it something like this. This is very much nice. So let me show you guys something like this. So this is an end screen I created with YouTube. This is a free one. This is how it looks like. So you can see a recent video on my channel and then the best for the viewer, something like that. I just watched this video, that's why they're saying this is best for me. So that's it on how you can create. And then let me move to the subscribe. You can see here, so they just tap on it like this and they subscribe. Very much simple and easy. So now let's move to the premium option. With this you can create amazing ones. So when you hop on channels by football teams like Real Madrid, Arsenal, and the rest, most of them use these premium versions or this premium to use to create their outros. So now let me click on one. We are going to hop on them. Let's click on this, something like this. Good, so you can see here. So that's it. So here, if you are on Invideo, you just need to create an account and then you get a premium version. I don't know if you are using a free version, you can get access to this. I don't know, but then if you are using a premium version, it's very much simple and easy. So you just tap on it like this. You just tap on the use template, and then here, this video, you can see this is a video and this is a video. So here you just need to upload or drag your video here, and here too you drag a video here. Let me open it and show you guys. I'm not going to drag any video, but I'm going to show you guys. It's very simple and easy. You don't need to have any editing skills. Very simple. After that, you download the video and then you join the video to your old video that you want to upload on YouTube. Let me move to storyboard. Good, so this is how it looks like. You can see. Good, that's how it looks like. So you can see when I tap on it, I can remove it though. You see I've removed it. So I just need to upload a video and I drag it here. I upload a video and I drag it here. After that, I remove the logo and then I can even add my name here. Let's say, let me revert it. Now let me try to edit it. Good. Let me do it. Okay, brother. Check. So I'm done. You can see brother tech here. Very simple. So you upload the video you want to drag here. You upload the video and then you drag it here as well. After that, you just download it. You download it in HD, simple as that. You can see they are saying I'm using a stock image, so I think they'll be taking it out of my monthly quota, something like that. So I have 160 remaining. So that's it, very much simple and easy. You just drag and then you export it in HD, you join it to your video. So when the people are playing your video on YouTube, automatically when it reaches to the end, your end screen appears, something like that. So that's it on how you can create an end screen for your YouTube video. So if you don't have money or if you are new, you can go with the free option, and then free option by YouTube, and then you try to customize it for it to look very much professional, like something like this. If you have money too, you can go with this Invideo, and then you choose any of them. Let me come back and show you guys another one. This is another one. Let me show you guys another one. Simple. So the concept is the same. You just tap on the edit, you drag a video here, you drag a video here, and then you change the name here to your channel's name. And if you have the logo of your channel, you upload it here. And then the background video too, you can use your old video that the old video that you want to add this end screen to. Use that video, something like that, and you're good to go. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, do